Hi, this is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Please welcome to Bangle Whisper. Today we're going to talk about another interesting educational subject is bangles. Why women in certain culture wear bangles, what significance they have in their life, and why we should wear bangles and how it will protect us and benefit us. So let's look at some culture where the bangles are worn from childhood, especially Indian culture. Indian culture, women wears bangle from the little baby age till death, especially after marriage and throughout their marriage life they wear bangles. Now babies, we put little black bangles made out of black tourmaline beads, usually black beads. Sometimes some people even wear plastic black beads, and they put it on babies' little hands so the babies do not get any evil eye or sickness. So there are always good and evil present in the air, in the atmosphere. So we try to steer away the evil. Now, it's been believed that a married woman during the marriage and after the marriage, throughout her marriage life, wear many bangles. And these bangles have significant role and they have reasons for wearing it. Bangles are believed to be very sacred and they represent a woman's marriage, happiness, good fortune. They bring prosperity, happiness, and good luck and money into the marriage, into the family. Now, the jingle sound made by this bangle believes to be steering away the evils and bad souls and calling on to the good souls, the saints. So that way, the women always, married women always wear a handful of beautiful jingly bangles. Now, the bangles previously used to be gold and silver, but as with new age everything changed and things became very expensive, and also due to the reason of trying to match the clothes with the bangles, we're using plastic and glass bangles. It's much economical, much more cheaper, and much more fashionable, different colors. And this gold and silver bangles were just same yellow and white color, but they were actually metal. So here are the benefits of wearing the bangles. Now we all know that our body has energy, and throughout the day we give out energies, and these bangles supposedly used to take all the energy which is given out by our body and then retransmit it to our body, so our body will have more energy to work throughout the day. So one reason, steer away the evil spirit. Second reason is give us more energy. The third reason for wearing bangles is bangles are very good for our circulatory system and give us good blood circulation. They keeps our blood pressure normal, because bangles are constantly putting pressure on our wrist. When we go to the doctor usually look at our wrist, feel our wrist, and see how's the pulse doing. He or she touches the wrist and feels the pulse. Now bangles constantly giving pressure at the pulse, which is like acupressure point, so our blood flows evenly and nicely and continuously throughout the body, so it keeps a woman healthy. A stagnant blood flow is the reason for diseases. When the blood flows smoothly, that time woman is healthy. So bangle helps that way. Also near the bangle point, we have the acupressure point for all of our female organs, reproductive organs. Now, by constant pressure, the bangles put constant pressure on the wrist. It is constantly giving acupressure to the area related to the female reproductive organ, so the reproductive organ stays good and healthy due to constant good amount of blood flow. So, and these are some of the reasons out of several other reasons which is still under investigation, which is still research being done, what other help. So, as we have seen in our history, the kings and queens and God and goddesses wore lots and lots of jewelry. Among them, there were many bangles because simply because they wanted to keep their health in good condition. Another thing they wore with the bangles and the jewelry is lots of stone. These stones also attracts and transmit certain energy depending on their color. So they also keep us healthy, give us good fortune, money, wealth, happiness, calmness, prosperity, all these things. So as you can see, the bangles have significant role in our life, in a woman's life, and now it's believed to be when a woman makes this beautiful jingly noise at night time. It's sort of like a mating call. So it's very romantic that way. So see, bangles also people wear it matching to their clothes for fashion reason. That also looks good. It also makes the wrist very attractive and circle and round. It also makes the bone very strong, and I have a personal experience with it. Once I fell down, it was a bad fall. I broke my thumb, but luckily, because of having lots of metal bangles, my wrist got saved. So, Bangle says that way it makes the bone strong. And then we Indians wear different metal bangles. We wear gold, silver, we wear iron bangles. From childhood we wear iron bangles, and that also supposed to steer away the evils. And iron bangles also wore by married women for the reason of health, good health, happiness, prosperity. Iron bangles are believed to be the bangles for Saturn. So, and also we wear red bangles. Red bangles is for also again health, happiness, prosperity, and we wear white bangles, which called saka. And these saka are made out of special seashells. And they are very fragile too and very expensive. And a lot of Indian married women, it's another culture, another religion, another language called Bengali, and they wear this red pola and then this white saka, and both the pola is the coral, red coral, and saka is made out of seashell, and both of them are very expensive now, and they are also very fragile, so we always keep them very careful. We're very careful with it. So, and then other cultures have other bangles too, and then we have um, many different bangles. Some wear wooden bangles, some wear wooden bead jewelry, and they have a special meaning too. The wooden bangle and wooden bead jewelry is also as believed to be in the people who do not have 3 and 4 in their losu grid in their birth chart. They need to wear wooden beads jewelry, wooden beads, bangle, bracelet, or necklace, It's called Rudraksha, and our priest and saints wear it too.